Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your KYC with Huobi, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Huobi website. Log into your Huobi account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account section. Look for the verification or KYC option in the menu. Click on the KYC verification link to start the process. You will be prompted to select your country of residence. Choose your country from the drop-down menu. Next, fill out the required personal information, including your full name and date of birth. Make sure the information matches your official identification documents. After entering your personal details, you will need to upload your identification documents. Prepare a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Ensure the document is clearly visible and all edges are within the frame. Upload a recent selfie as part of the verification process. Ensure the selfie is clear and matches the identification document you submitted. Review all the information and uploaded documents for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your KYC application for review. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your application. The verification process may take several minutes to a few days. Check your email for updates on your KYC verification status. Once approved, you will receive confirmation and can start using your account fully. If there are any issues, follow the instructions provided in the email or contact customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.